Okay, so a sphere has a volume of 40,000 centimeter cubed. Calculate its radius. Well, again, we've got a situation now where we're given its volume. We're told it's 40,000. Okay, and I know the formula for a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay. So here I've got a situation where the formula, okay, well I know the answer to it. I know it's got to be 40,000 because that's the volume of this sphere. What I can do, of course, is change pi to be 3.14 and then times r cubed. So I'll leave the r cubed because I don't know what r is. So I'll get my calculator. 4/3 times 3.14 and I get that. So press the SD, that comes out to be 4.186 with the recurring dots there above the 6 times r cubed is 40,000. Now, what do you think we've got to do next? Of course, because we're timesing by this, we can get r cubed on its own, yeah? Don't forget, it is r cubed, so we have to keep it as r cubed for a minute, but we can get it on its own. Timesing by this, so just take it over to the side and divide. Okay, and then I can work out what r cubed is. So all I've got to do is 4,000 or 40,000 rather, divide by the ants, and I get that 9554.140127. Let's think about it. How can I get r from there? So something cubed is this. So to work out what that something is, I've got to do the opposite. And the opposite is cube root. Okay, so it's not square root this time. It is cube root. So I've got to look on my calculator for where cube root is. And if you notice, it is above the square root there in yellow. So if you press shift, the yellow one appears and you can see the cube root there. Press ants equals and you get that, right? So r will equal to 21.22 if you round that to 2 decimal places, that's in centimeters. So in other words, if I times that by itself and by itself again, I get back to this situation here.